Which river is the longest in India? The correct answer is Ganga. Dal Lake is located in which Indian city? The correct answer is Srinagar. Which river flows through the city of Kolkata? The correct answer is Ganga. Brahmaputra river mainly flows in which state? The correct answer is Assam. On which river is the city of Delhi located? The correct answer is Yamuna. Which is the largest lake in India? The correct answer is Chilika Lake. The Narmada river flows from which direction? The correct answer is east to west. Varanasi is located on which river? The correct answer is Ganga. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? The correct answer is Kosi. Pulicat Lake is located in which Indian state? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Which river is the second longest in India? The correct answer is Godavari. Which lake is located in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Sambhar Lake. Which river flows through Goa? The correct answer is Mandavi. The Krishna river flows into which sea? The correct answer is Bay of Bengal. Which river is known for the famous Sardar Sarovar Dam? The correct answer is Narmada. Which river has its origin at Gangotri Glacier? The correct answer is Ganga. Which is India's deepest lake? The correct answer is Manasbal Lake. Luni River flows mainly in which state? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Godavari River is also called the. The correct answer is Dakshin Ganga. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? The correct answer is Chilika Lake. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? The correct answer is Godavari. On which river is the city of Haridwar located? The correct answer is Ganga. Which lake is famous for its floating islands, Fungdis? The correct answer is Loktak Lake. The Kaveri River flows mainly through which two states? The correct answer is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Wooler Lake is famous for which type of lake? The correct answer is Freshwater Lake. Which river is also known as the lifeline of Kerala? The correct answer is Periyar River. Which river flows through Lucknow city? The correct answer is Gomti. Which river is associated with Sundarban Delta? The correct answer is Ganga Brahmaputra. Which lake is famous for bird watching in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Sambhar Lake. Which river flows through Nashik city? The correct answer is Godavari. Which lake in India is known for its round shape formed by a meteor? The correct answer is Lona Lake. The Tapi River flows into which sea? The correct answer is Arabian Sea. Which river flows near the Statue of Unity? The correct answer is Narmada. Which river is the longest in South India? The correct answer is Godavari. Lona Lake is located in which Indian state? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Which Indian lake freezes completely in winter? The correct answer is Dal Lake. On which river is the famous Tehri Dam built? The correct answer is Bhagirathi. Which river flows into the Bay of Bengal and forms a delta with Ganga? The correct answer is Brahmaputra. Which lake is known as the Queen of Lakes? The correct answer is Naini Lake. Which river flows through Surat city? The correct answer is Tapi. Which river is the main river of the Sundarban? The correct answer is Ganga. Which lake is famous for houseboats in Kashmir? The correct answer is Dal Lake. Which river flows through the desert region of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Luni. Which river is known for the famous Hirakud Dam? The correct answer is Mahandi. Which is the largest artificial lake in India? The correct answer is Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar. Which river flows through Ujjain city? The correct answer is Shipra. The Mahandi River flows mainly through which two states? The correct answer is Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Which lake is located in the Union Territory of Ladakh? The correct answer is Pangong Lake. On which river is the city of Vijayawada located? The correct answer is Krishna. Which river meets the Ganga at Prayagraj, Allahabad? The correct answer is Yamuna. Great job! Keep learning something new every day. See you in the next quiz.